Hey everyone! Today we're making these amazing crispy fried baby corn. You can see them cooking here. But before we get to this part, first, we need to prepare them. Take your baby corn and place them in a bowl. We're going to give them a good wash by adding some salt to the water and rinsing them well. Once they're clean, we'll transfer them to a pot of boiling water and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes to make them nice and tender. After they're done, drain the water completely and set them aside. Now for the magic. The coating. Add 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of shawarma masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of this together until everything is evenly combined. Take about 2 tablespoons of this dry mixture and put it on a separate plate. Add your boiled baby corn to this plate and gently toss them to get a thin, even coat. Once they're coated, use skewers to thread the baby corn. This will make them much easier to handle when frying. Now let's make our wet batter. Take the remaining dry mixture and pour it into a tall glass or a small bowl. Slowly add hot water, a little at a time, and mix until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. The consistency should be thin enough to easily coat the baby corn but not watery. Alright, the final step. Dip your skewered baby corn into the wet batter, making sure they're fully coated. Then, one by one, carefully place them into the hot oil. Fry them until they're golden brown and perfectly crisp. This should only take a few minutes. Once they're done, take them out and look at that beautiful color and amazing crunch. Serve them hot with your favorite spicy dipping sauce. That's all there is to it. I hope you love this crispy fried baby corn as much as I do. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.